Babatiin ko lang ng advance happy birthday si Mark Hilson Rojo. Yan. So, Maki, happy birthday in advance. So, although alam ko sa April 22 pa yung birthday mo, April 11 pa lang ngayon, so 11 days before. Baka kasi makalimutan ko pang birthday mo eh. So, babatiin na kita ng happy birthday. O, balita ko dahil nagkita kami ni Ramen nung nakaraan, medyo nagiging fit ka na, healthy, no? Buti yan para mapangalagaan mo yung kalusugan mo. Stay happy, stay diligent in whatever nagagawin mo. At sana yung magdulot sa'yo ng growth. God bless you. More birthdays to come. At stay the way you are. So, yun lang.